Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to share with you some cute earring ideas for spring. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. First, I rolled out some Skinner blend clay into the number 4 setting. I'm placing a link in the description for a good tutorial on Skinner blend. Then I used an octagonal cutter to cut this shape. I also fished out the small octagonal shape at the center using my detail needle. Next, I roll out some green clay into the number 7 setting on my pasta roller. I cut 2 small flowers. Then I roll a very thin snake for the leaf stalk. I position the stalks on both sides. Then I make some very tiny leaves by cutting the flower into 6 pieces. I place 3 leaves on each side. I then brought out some white clay and rolled it again into the number 7 setting. I cut a flower and placed it at the lower center of the octagon. I used my tissue blade to score the petals. Then I roll out a tiny bit of yellow clay to place at the center of the flower. I flatten this a bit and then I use my blade again to score the pistil. Now it's time to make the mushroom. I roll out a small ball of clay with a tapered end. I also use a detail needle to place small holes on the mushroom. I fill these holes with white clay. I then get my silicone mold to make these 5-point flowers. These tiny silicone molds are actually nail art molds. Finally, I again go into the nail section and use this nail decor. I use some liquid Sculpey to hold it in place. I'm doing a second design, this time with strawberries. I'll just keep quiet at this point so that you can enjoy watching the process. After these have been baked, I put a matte gloss on all of my earrings. I love how these turned out, and I hope that they inspire you with some ideas on what to do for spring. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!